Yung session na to, yung presentation part. Look up. If you're burned out, look up and then pray to God. That's the person that you know. You might be saying, Sir Doc, I don't believe in God because I'm an atheist. It's okay. Wala naman ako president. Wala akong magagawa kung atheist ka. But there must be something bigger than you, like supreme being. Whether you believe of Friedrich Nietzsche, sorry, Kierkegaard, yung mga philosophers na hindi sobrang faithful sa Diyos. No? But they still believe in supreme being. So fire, look up to fire. Second is that, kung walang Diyos talaga, kung may Diyos ka na, hindi pa rin talaga yun. Let's go medical, kasi medical biology kaya. Maligo kayo. Physically daw, nakatulong ang banig. Sir, malamig or mainit? Sabi nila, pag malamig kasi, tapos gusto mo talaga makatulog, pag malamig, kasi hindi ka makatulog. Ibisingin niyo yung nerves mo. So, mukha ko matalino doon, di ba? Baka naman ako matalino. Doon sa pag mainit, mas okay daw na maligo ng mainit pag burnout ka because mas nakakalmado yung kasi I always believe that if you are a spiritual person, you should also be good physically. You should always take care of yourself. Kasi kahit na lagi make yourself patulong sa heart, but you cannot, of course, you cannot take care of your physical activities. Sayang din yung sayang yung time. Na hindi ka mag-heal. Third is that if you're burnout, try to have a threshold. Tanggalin mo yung mga hindi mo priority na. I'll tell you why. For example, among the 5 students left in the class, if hindi ko priorities then basically, aalisin ko talaga yan sa life. Sa stage ng life ko na to, hindi ko to nagagawa ng time ng ganyan edad. I really cannot eradicate people. I cannot get rid of people. Kasi people yan eh. Sa human-to-human interaction. Kasama, kapag nasa edad na kayong ganito, might have self, you would realize that hindi na talaga nagkakapagiging. Not all people are friends. You really have to have a small street down. Sleep with that. Pero hindi na sleep. Kahit sobrang simple yung mga tao na yun, solid yan. Just stay with them. Kasi kapag marami kang pinipis na tao, nakaka-burn out talaga yun. Isa tara po tayo sa bargain. Yung ko nga, wala kang pera, estudyante ka pa lang, pangalang dami pang gagawin sa school. Kaso kaibigan mo yun. These people do not actually help you out to be a better person. And try to talk with them. I have my priority right now. Kasi sometimes, yung mga hindi naman talaga yung priority, hindi it add-ons to your stressor. So, kung hindi siya nakakatulong, tanggalin yung stressor niya. Sabi ni May, meron siyang girlfriend ata o girlfriend kasi. Kung hindi nakakatulong yan, kung lang yung isip mo, gusto mo lang meron nagmamahal sa'yo. O gusto mo lang ma-feel na nagmamahal ka. Pero hindi ka naman talaga nagmamahal. Pagbulo lang yung pag-aaral. So, yun yung sabi ko lang, tanggalin yung stressor and focus. And the last advice that I can give to is that sometimes you really have to live with the simple word like enjoy life. Kaya kanina sabi ko sa inyo, panoorin niyo yung First Love. Sir, nakakaiyak yun. Kaya yung mga Korean films na yung mga bago ngayon. 25, 21 pa yun. 21, 25. Okay? Okay? Ano pa yung 21, 25, 25, 20. Okay. Ano ba yung palabas na yun? 21, 25.
Yung Korean drama po.
Oo, yung drama na yun. Sabi nila maganda rin.
Maganda po siya, recommended. Pero it depends po. It's nostalgic.
Yeah, yung maganda rin yung magaling drawing nila na akin. Classmates sila tapos they ended up
Sir,
together.
that's a different, that's Our
Di ba
Beloved Summer.
Yun. Yung point sa point na panood ko dati last year.
Mm.
Di ba point 20 or sa 21 yung nag-screen fencing, di ba? So sometimes you have to go with something that you enjoy. Watching Punto ka, mag-ano, umakyat ka ng bundok if you want in between while you are taking other course. Kasi mabuti nga kayo ngayon eh. Kami hindi kami maakit ang bundok because may klase na naman bukas. Pero yung iba, kaya atong yung bundok kahit nasa bundok kapag nagkaklase. So like kung meron kayong okay na prof, like sige mag-aral ka lang din sa bundok. Oo, okay yan. Pag ng bundok, that's good. May reflection. The only challenge is that yung signal. Kasi kung walang signal dyan, mahirapan ka. So again, God, and the physical, hindi ka, see, hindi ko in-encourage ang minom kayo ng gamot ng synthetic kasi mas maganda pa yung natural. Sabay ng pagligo niyo siyempre kung dapat yung natural muna. Sabi nila, it calms down yung pag-inom ng luya pagkalaga ng luya. Tapos afterwards, build. Then third, sinabi ko na yung stretchers nyo, if it's not helping you, ganun yan. Get it on that. And then lastly, try lang. Whatever kind of enjoyment you want, sana naman, hindi naman over the edge. Minsan, yung parang, kasi pwede ka mag-enjoy eh, pero baka naman sobrang nakakasakit. You are enjoying what drugs, you're enjoying bar, clubbings, ng lagi-lagi. Fake happiness na kasi doon, wala naman try na naman. But if you're enjoying exercise, kasi nakatulong yung lalo. Tatabang nila yung number 2 sa number 3, diba? Tanggal na yung stress mo. Tapos pangalawa, pwede kang maligo ng mas masarap kasi pinagpawisan ka. But I guess that's the best part eh, yung pag nag-enjoy ka, nag-exercise ka. Sa tama mo nag-realize eh. Kapag tumatakbo ka ni stationary dun sa kung saan ka man, tama mo realize. Habang nag-exercise ka, nag-walk, ganun, tanong bets, diba? Ipalaki yung muscles mo. Na-realize mo na dapat, ito na kinakain mo. Diba? Kunwari, ako na, expert ako sa diet. So, yun, medyo makaka-explanation ko pero that's my advice. Ano ba question?
Wala na po kaming question, sir. Thank you po.
Sige, you can lahat na mag-test tapos. Dapat lang.
Thank you po, sir.
Salamat.
Sorry, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you, Hanan. Thank you.
Thank you
Sabi.
po. Rest well, sir.
Salamat.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Mark.